Hey, how's everybody doing again? Alright, so this video is going to be only about 5 or 6 minutes long. It's showing how to put seatbelts. Seatbelts expire every 2 years in the car, unfortunately. But other than that, I mean, the old seatbelts, a lot of people buy them for like street rods or whatever, so we'll end up selling those. But this is going to show you how to actually assemble the belts on the table so that you could put them back in the car if you already have a set. And it's kind of confusing sometimes, all the brackets and stuff they give you, but this is a quick video on how to do that. All right, next video coming out is going to be 4-link setup on the computer, but this one's for the seat belts. We just happen to have the floor down, so it's easier to put the belts on with the floor out of the car. You just get right under there and put them in instead of crawling around the inside of the car. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Hopefully you like these videos, a little instructional videos here and there. And Christmas is coming. Don't forget shirts, hoodies, and if you need anything, give us a call, 914-490-4306. See you.
Okay, we're putting our seatbelts back in now so we can put the floor on. It's a lot easier to do it with the floors off in here. So I'm measuring them out.
Just going back to the same measurement, anchored here. I'll show you on the table how these actually go on. These will be good for 2 years now.
Yeah.
Here, I'll show you what.
Then we can put the floor back. We gotta weigh it real quick and then finish it up.
These are sub belt, right? This is the lap underneath the submarine belt. They call it. Comes up through your crotch. So this belt needs to. Yeah, so this belt needs to be under. So if this is here like this. So if you look at this picture, that belt needs to be not up here and that way. It needs to be under the seat. So it needs to be under the seat, in line with the shoulder, with your body. And I'm going to show you how these go on. So this is this piece, right? Slides up and over like that. And in the car, you have an anchor. Somewhere you have the anchor. So this goes through the anchor, right? Yep. Like that. So let's say that's your anchor, like that, right? And now this part of the belt goes through,
back through there.
Through there. Goes through this again, right? Like that. And then you go back and put it over this. So you skip that, right?
That way it can't come back out.
This way it'll never come back out. Like that. And now it's locked in place. Okay? That's how that goes.
Fit all those in there. And
basically what we do is I just measure it from here to here and I know which one, how it goes, so you don't have to keep checking it and checking it and checking it. Same thing with this. We're going to take this one apart. Take the one, these are the shoulder belt, these are the lap belts. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take this apart, measure it, put it back in the exact same spot. These are the shoulder belts. These already come already.
Because you just bolt in and you can adjust them.
And then we're just going to bolt this right back in.
So we'll get all those in there.
I'm going to put these in.
Okay.
So that one's done. This one's right here. I'm going to take it apart just so I see how far it goes. Just like that. Alright. That's where it was. That's where that like we said before, it goes in, back out. Put it to where you want it. Alright. Same spot. Same spot. And this is gonna go, basically gonna fold that. This has a little bit of a curve to it. So you want the curve facing out, or up against the seat. So this is gonna go in here. This one's going right to here, right? Same spot. This is gonna go in. Okay.
Just like that.
And then in. And then back out. Alright,
Good.
that's it. Same as the other one.
Now we can put that one back in there.
Back in here.
Or just leave it like that. I'll put it in the box.
And then we sell these, whatever, we'll get rid of them.
Those just go on the
And
back.
these just go on the back.